Hi traders, we're back with Bank to Binaries ahead of the week report, covering the world's major investment events. Here's a quick recap of last week's main asset trends. The euro was down under continued pressure from a stronger USD. The USD maintained strength and was up on interest rate hike expectations. The GBP was down as industrial order results came in lower than expected. Gold was down as expectations rise over US interest rates. Oil was down, maintaining a hold pattern ahead of next week's OPEC meeting. Get ready for a roller coaster this week. The trading event of the week is on Friday with the latest non-farm payroll results for October, with a likely impact on gold and the USD. This is a tremendous event in the context of the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. The last trading day of October is Monday the 31st, with possible trading opportunities on the euro, when third quarter GDP for the Eurozone is released at 10 o'clock. Now that the US economy is picking up, the EU has more concerns about competitiveness on the world markets, so this event is the main focus of the day. November starts strongly with the Bank of Japan's interest rate decision released at 0.300 on the first day of the month. With rates at historic lows of minus 0.1%, the BOJ's stance is expected to stay dovish on Tuesday, and the yen is likely to be in trading play on the day. Market-moving news is the trend of the week because on Wednesday, the 2nd of November, the Federal Reserve releases its interest rate decision at 1900. The USD and gold are likely to see price action during this event. There's even more news from the central bank sector at 12 o'clock on Thursday, November 3rd, when the Bank of England announces its latest interest rate decision. As you know, the BOE recently cut its key interest rate from 0.5% to 0.25% to stimulate investment after the Brexit vote. The markets are asking whether Governor Mark Carney will decide to ease rates even more, and this event may impact the already weakened GBP. The end of an intense trading week is Friday, November 4th, with the release of the US non-farm payroll results for October. Last seen at the level of 156,000 jobs added, the sector's performance is seen as a gauge for the Federal Reserve's interest rate stance. The trading markets will be front and present at 12:30 on Friday for this announcement that's likely to have an impact on the USD. Now on to our trading tip based on your frequently asked questions. How do I choose which assets to trade? There are literally hundreds of assets used as underlying value for binary options, and it's important to choose the ones you understand best. You can build familiarity with the performance of a chosen asset by following market news and technical analysis. Before trading a binary option on an asset you don't have experience with, do your research. It'll be worth the time. Bank to Binaries on Facebook. Follow us for daily updates and expert articles about the international markets. Follow us on Twitter by searching for #TraderTip and check our economic calendar for more events. Thanks for watching. See you next week.